This first line of text is the login message. When a new terminal is opened, it's common for some informational message to be printed. The exact contents of this message depends on the particular system you're using and how it's configured. On the next line, we see a command prompt. The appearance of a command prompt can vary from computer to computer, but in this case, it includes my username and the name of the computer I'm logged into. You might have noticed that there's actually more than one prompt on the screen at the same time, this top one and the bottom one. This first prompt is one I used earlier to run a command, so this is the previous prompt. The command I ran earlier was calce. You can see I entered the command here, and below that is the output of the command. Some terminal commands are pretty cryptic, but in this case, calce is pretty self-explanatory. It takes one argument, the name of a string that you'd like your cal to say. After the output of the calce command, we get a new prompt for entering the next command. And finally, the last interface element on the screen is the cursor. You'll probably notice the cursor doesn't quite look like ones you see in other programs. For instance, in a web browser or a word processor, the cursor is usually a vertical bar. In the terminal, it's usually a block, but you might also see it as an underscore in some cases.